Okay, need help understanding this. I've got this quick disconnect set full of adapters and nozzles. In my mind, I should be able to take this piece and connect it to this piece, and life would be good. But unfortunately, there's this part of the nozzle seems to be interfering with that interior brass cylinder, and you cannot push this in. It does not want to go in. And then I even also have a hose here with, I mean, this makes sense because this fitting is identical, but this doesn't go in either. So what am I missing?